Okay.
No good when they use such like they find people husband.
You know, feel mess. Commence now. Now, hey, let's see single mother be. Yeah,
you know the one they pay me pass, as single mother won't be faithful to married man. When I say people be faithful to married man, now the one they pay me pass. Yes, you husband, you just say faithful to man.
Yeah, Bobby, why is
You know they understand.
Wow.
But I see, Mama no, I never understand these people. Now me know them. Once he go mother leave your husband now, he baby papa. He own next target now another person marriage where they go where. He go leave your marriage, you go be side chick. You go be problem to her.
May God punish you, MAMA3D. Yes, of course. You're right. Yes. Just the same way you take spoil that woman marriage. Where God go punish your husband who not know himself. Yes, you're right. You are looking for people marriage when you go spoil the way you take spoil that woman marriage. You will be single mother, you carry belly, take tie the woman, go meet her for Germany. Go meet that man. You will be man, he will be woman. You're right now. Because now what you they give, now what you take, now you they give out. So if you are giving this kind of things out, it's because now what you take. Now what you do not make you they give this kind of rubbish. Because amazing woman when they know themselves, they know they go meet person man. Except in a shower that woman be the way you take be like a shower, MAMA3D. Just the same way you take be like a shower because you know a shower. So the only person when they entice you, now person when they build the family. So the only thing you can do now to interfere on somebody lovely and amazing marriage, and you finally spoil her. And you spoil and you tie the man with your juju. Juju where you not feel maker. Now where you there, more fire down. Mama Laura, as you call say you go more than a mess, not forget say you two a mess, so you will get white soto. Yes, that's what they talk now. This now today, oh. Today, Mama Laura says you go more than be like mess. May God punish you. You when your husband leave, go carry woman. As you see where they cause Goya, now Mama Laura go there, oh. He go there. MAMA3D, if you not see that so single mother, you not get another engagement. Don't you have other engagements, mad woman? Bring other engagement. You said you're a social media presenter. Can you come with another engagement? Let's see. Damn you. Conco Black. I tell her, say, see, this don't be cost so. For not take her like cost, no problem. I Goya, CEO president of Amebo Aproko, talk everything. I repeat this thing, I repeat it again. As you and Mama Laura, they live video, they insult, they curse mothers, they curse single mother. I talk this thing. As now they curse single mother, I repeat this thing again. Una get children. If una get children, mistakenly become a single mother.
Okay, get right to remarry, to rewrite your errors, all those kind of things. No, but you born for Bobby, you born for Jobet, you born for Zaddy. Now you want born for Enogie. Yeah, you know what,
I beg go, my husband. Now Bobby are Jobet, because that Bobby are Jobet.
I don't understand.
Yeah, you see those people, and the worst part of it there, that one that they born, they don't marry. That's the problem when they did. They don't want to be married. They don't go put back. And tomorrow they'll seek more for that place.
I swear. They'll seek come out.
Now what they
Mama Nora, see, Papa be joke aside. More leave joke. If not be say, I pick you one telling her to ride bicycle. Person will go they look Destiny, make they go bring Destiny brother from school or kindergarten. Person where Destiny go, where go they can go buy Destiny McDonald's. If not be those person will go have the fix light bulb. Person will go have the fix wardrobe. Person will go have the if not be those things, single mother not guarantee they use husband they do. They know get.
They don't let
you see that feeling.
Mama Laura. When I hear what Mama Laura they talk, Mona wait. May I play this one?
Mother do my go they tell Mama Laura, maybe you never hear this part. You gonna say, you give me, that means you like me, oh. Enter my DM now, don't worry, my husband go understand.
Okay.
Now what you do? Okay. I say you not able to pay me, you should be understand. You not able to pay me again.
Only one borrow.
Shebi, see what Mama Laura
Moderator, mute this
Comes to your full generation.
I not be moderator for you.
I don't even say okay, say president, you no you be.
I beg give me moderator
Not
in the
for
course
me.
here. Then you put my
I want
now your blocker, your mute.
Or a woman, a reasonable man cannot, a reasonable woman cannot vomit what you just spit out for your mouth right now. Say not be bad thing.
one woman born for 3 men. For them,
You
no
man like muting. Now what did they do?
Boro, good afternoon.
You're going to listen for comment
For
section.
them, for
May I play the other one? Mona, wait.
the ones who not good when they use to start the 5 people husband.
You know, few mess. Or mess now, hair, nice on single mother be. Yeah, yeah,
Mama Laura.
You're not the one they pay me.
Mama Laura, go punish you when you say single mothers be like, what it be TikTok, what it me, may God go punish you. You when they marry, after you don't born your children, before they manage marry, you may God punish you. When you don't born, mess. Now you when they don't mess follow, now you they talk say, now your head now be may single mother head kill you, Mama Laura. Wow, DG. May God punish you. You ain't be say Enogie married after 5 children, after 4 children. You not be mess. You are this idiot. When you not be mess. Let's go mother head kill now. Mommy Tiri, if you not sweating, she won't do na single mother. May God punish you. That woman not get engagement. That single mother. That woman not get. Now the fact say mommy 3D Mama Nora say as they insult me, then she climb up. As she climb up when they insult me. You dey get me? As Mama Laura say that they insult me, then she climb up. As she climb up, guess what? This useless woman. I don't want to bring anybody come up. Mona wait. If I do saga, now let me do saga. Mona know this one. If I want bring una, Mona go insult there. I'll bring una, Mona come down. Now let me want to do saga. Mona chi. Mona chi me na one man squad. I know they need gun. My energy plenty. We know they play record, say they play record. And my energy plenty. You dey get me? Now, make they play and they go. Now, so Mama Laura talk. Mama Laura, you better pass single mother. Make God punish you. Make single mother head ki wow. What digi? I'm only a BMOG. Useless woman. Your life they work. You they do. Your life your mates they work. Single mother now. The way you say useless, sit down for money tonight. They don't go work. Woman they drive car. Mona cause waiting that they talk about single mother. Mona see. Mama Laura na go punish you. You when they marry after 4 children. When you don't born your children, they come manage marry you. Una marry finish you na they trouble. Now you are they talk about single mother. You say single mother be like mess. May God punish you, Mama Laura. May single mother head kill you. I talk am again. What una they give single mother? As far as una get children. If una children not be single mother. All course una they cause us we accept her. Because you cannot chew what you cannot swallow. You cannot chew. I swear to God, you cannot chew what you cannot swallow. As you, Mama, what do they call her? Mommy 3D, as you say, cause single mother. If your children mistakenly be, your guest children be single mother, all the cost when you don't cause and your children have to go enter. Can me talk her. Go and I talk her. May God punish you now. If una get children, one of them mistakenly be single mother, all the costs, one that don't cause single mother, everything, now na children head go. That girl will go born to be single mother, now head go carry am. Bet me. Wow, what digi? Make God punish you now. Mama Laura, now you dey talk. You dirty witch. Mama Laura, now you dey talk. You went Toto they smell white Toto. You went get white Toto. Toto they smell. Now you want follow Goya talk. You better pass single mother. May God punish you. Might tell you by the way. You better pass single mother. Mona see what this useless woman say single mother play a mess. May your mom mess on your yash. God punish you. You good now no go carry single mother. You good now no go carry single mother and leave you. 4 children, they don't marry you. Idiots. You good. I no get look. You go carry single mother of 4 children. You good. Because they no get know the value of single mother. You know say you they smell. You doctor. So Mona see what you say not they give you math. So Mona hear the record. Goya say somebody say Goya, you're no more a single mother. I stand by single mother or married woman. Whether you're married or you're a single mother, I have no right to talk down on any woman. You born, if you are lucky enough, you have children. Thank God. There are people who are begging just to have pikin, even though they're not serious mad. You know the joy of a mother, of a woman. Now me you born pikin. Whether they marry you, they not marry you, leave them. Born your pikin. They come cry, give una say they don't need pikin. May God punish you now. Use that set of people. So if I don't marry now, because if they call the single mother, I stand for them. I will stand for it because I was once a single mother. You get grace. What is single mother get? You make them. Mama Laura, go spare Dutch. Spare Dutch now, you cannot spare Dutch. Speak. See woman where they husband as Mona say as they mad. You they husband as you not feel make them. The only thing now you they talk about lands. Go past B1, B I not say call I'm done. Even to say alles good, you cannot say it. Rubbish. Woman with stupidity. Where women with value are communicating, you're rubbish. You are rubbish. May God punish you. Now woman won't marry. Woman choose to born. If you don't want marry, not marry. If you feel like marry. You were married when they fight. See you were don't marry. The way you don't see single mother call embarrass their baby father, do you say they embarrass your husband, Mama Laura? The way you say they embarrass Mama Enogie. How many times you Enogie don't fight? You don't see single mother with value. Don't come social media, come fight. Use that set of woman. Use that set of woman. Now everybody go marry. If woman you can say no get, may God punish you. May God punish you. What did you? I said it again. Not because na prayer. Not because na prayer. I see they pray. I got out today when I say na single mother when I want to too. See confuse you might be Mama Nora. Confuse you might be. May God punish you. Your husband go their platform. Now woman, now they support your husband. May God punish you. If you don't reach money time, go say single mother. Wow, no go working. Rubbish you might be dirty. Yes, we born for 3 months. Can't die now. Our children not better pass your own. Come now. You will get married. We more born for single mother. More bring children. More see who children they cry. More bring children. More see say children they cry. Bring your pikin and make me bring my own. More see where pikin they cry. More see pikin fine. Close one with them wear our children. I'm not sure that you go feel who wear your own. Single mother, anything single mother, anything. Mona, say the funny part when this useless woman talk. Wow, what did you? Let's single mother head, ki all we wear, all we have, all we our son. You dey Chris. Use that set of women. You do not see what me they want talk now, woman. MAMA3D did not better for you and that your husband. You know better for you and that your useless husband. You MAMA3D. You go now go. May I show now the useless husband. May I show now. Mona see useless husband of the year. You dey Chris. You dey. I see talk and say they not born your papa way. Mama Laura, you see this thing when you take us you go mother, I go face you forever. You gonna do saga, go dey do saga. You dey Chris. What did you? Useless woman. Mona see where I say not they say not they. He say now they single mother like they give Toto. He say married woman not they give Toto. You dey Chris, Mama Laura. You are MAMA3D. Come see what would they not prick. Come see where Goya they not prick. If your Toto die, may die. We would they give prick. You know they give Enogie prick. We would they give our husband prick. If we enter prick, we they go down. We know they shout shift it. We know they say gently press it in. You dey Chris. May I play when they talk say single mother they give Toto 10 times. Because you say your own Toto not they work. Our Toto with a shader. We know they close Toto. Man never cut us say go and no they give. We don't put Toto. Everybody say Toto is a kind of food. Everybody let's go. Toto is a kind of food. Sweet like sugar, yellow like Fanta. Everybody like Toto. Toto. Toto is a kind of food. You eat it, you digest it, and you solve. When prick and Toto jam, the only thing we go bring na belle. When prick and Toto jam, the only thing we go bring na belle. Una dey feel me? Family. Una dey feel me? Family. Una dey feel me? Una dey feel me? Family. Una dey see me? Okay. When prick and Toto jam, the only thing we go bring na pregnancy. As far as you don't dey shop prick, belle not be new thing. Now two type of pregnancy we dey see. Either you throw away your own or you keep your own. My clap for all the amazing mothers when they keep their pikin. Family, more clap for all the amazing mothers when they keep their pikin. Mona see when they use this woman. Mona, my plan. Mama, you know better for you, Mama Laura. No better for you. Mona see what he cost you go mother. Mona, yeah. See, today, now today.
I almost scatter that house. Don't be say.
Sister,
But after this guy said don't call. He don't look for a way to call the wife. Say he get the left of the man.
Okay. They say, you are one day that belly go carry you and go give the man.
see, Mama, I see what person talk for comment section. He says single mother go allow you knock 6 to 8 rounds. Now he make me like this. Where's now after one go say I don't
I confess one thing. Yeah, but husband do one. I tell you, I relax. He said, you be the first woman who know they do two. We know they do two, do three. Now you be the first one for my life. Although she say no, they do two, do three. Women they do. Let's say, women see they do two, do three. When I say I did, well, you be the first one for my life. You know,
I did. How many women don't see?
You know, this comment now say they do it. Jeez.
Mama Laura, come. See, would they sit down for freak like this? Would they give our husband 2 rounds if you want some? 3 rounds with it. We're not a fear. Mama Laura, would they give our husband 3 rounds? Oh, we're not a fear. If you need 5, would they give him 5? Who sing this music? Toto where they blow whistle. Who sing her? Mama Laura, you say, when I hear with married woman they talk. So your husband, even they complain, so you know they give her Toto. Your husband, this not today, oh. Your husband, they complain, so you know they give her today. I see why Mama, why Enogie they go, they knock. Enogie, can't tell us the woman where you they knock. Mama Laura say, so you they tell her, say, so we know that the woman where you they knock. Yes. If you want carry single life, yes. Will they give her 5? If you want her, will they give her? Our Toto strong. Our Toto make boom. Our Toto na ikbin. Our Toto na ikbin. Toto make ikbin. We get poof Toto. Poof. Everybody say poof. Our husband not they complain say, Mona yell. Our husband not they complain say, will they go meet another person? With a knack prick. With a sit down. See, if we do like this, see, if we do like this, we they give her adi gigi, boom. Shake it. We they give her. Mona, na me talk. Family, na me talk. Family. I'm about people, na me talk. Una yeram. Mona ye family. Mona ye. This not today. Oh. This one insult me. When the day. Mona ye. Not me. Okay. We still get extra 30 minutes before I go work. Before I go out. Una not see my husband they go work. Una not see my husband they go work. We get extra 30 minutes for saga. Okay.
Yes.
No.
You're supposed to have grown on it.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Any woman when you see
Not this one. Yeah. Okay, now this Mona here.
That's his screenshot and give me. I said I go make video put. But before I make video, I don't read that for him.
See, only God. You see that one when you did that your area, so in scatter almost scatter that house. Don't be say.
Sister,
Nothing.
But after this guy said don't call. He don't look for a way to call the wife. Say get the left of the man.
Okay. You see, you are one day that belly go carry and go give the man.
See, Mama, I see what person talk for comment section. He says single mother go allow you knock 6 to 8 rounds. Now he make me like them small. Where's now after one I go say I don't
Now confess one thing. Yeah, bro, husband do one. I tell you, I relax. He said, you be the first woman who know they do two. We know they do two, do three. Now you be the first one for my level. She say, no, they do two, do three. Women they do. Let's say, women see they do two, do three. When I say I did, well, you be the first one for my level.
I did. How many women don't see?
You know, this government now say they do it. Jesus.
See, before man go come they complain for woman say you know they give her to. And see why I no get this marriage. I see why I no get fair comot. I see why I no get fair comot. Ah. I see why I no get fair comot. They can go beg and no get me come back. So your husband they complain say you know they give her toto. Ha. Ah. Una remember see Mama Laura said to say not give your husband toto for 2 months. 2 months. That's what show say that 2 months when Mama Laura. Who remember when Mama Laura said not give your husband toto for 2 months? That was last year. Who remember? Raise up your hand. Who remembers when Mama Laura said not give your husband toto for 2 months? If you not say, if you not remember, I'm gonna raise up on her hands. That's what show say that 2 months when you not take give your husband toto. That man now go they knock outside. Wow. Because man not fit stay when you get wife. You know, that's what show say, Mama Laura, you have low, oh God. You need to see doctor. Now, a person like you now call single mother. You when they give man 1 rand, the man will see they complain with your 1 rand. Before you just sit down for Enogie, but you don't tire. You don't make. Enogie go one raise you make. You go one. You go. Ah, God. Enogie go don't do so pizza here. Ah, wow. Enogie go don't do so pizza here. Ah, justice for Enogie.